Would you like to use the bat signal in a video that you make on your own iPhone?
I am Batman.
Well, here's how it's done. First, we need to find a picture of the bat signal that we like. So I'm going to go to Safari and type in bat signal. That one will do nicely. I chose this because you can see the whole bat signal with nothing in the way. Saving it to my photos. Next, open the app called InShot Video Editor, or download the app if you don't have it already. It's a good one. Going to go to Video and go to New and Blank. Next, I'm going to add the bat signal picture as a picture-in-picture, which is this option here in the middle. It says PIP. Go to Photo and that one. I'm going to do my best to select just the part of the photo that has the bat signal on it and nothing else. So we're going to start by going to Crop. And I'm going to drag the corners in as close to the bat signal as I can get without losing any of the parts that I want. So it's nice and close to each of the boundaries. I reckon that's pretty good. So press the tick. That's good so far. But we can do better than that. Now I'm going to drag it so as it's pointing straight up and down for this next section. And then I'm going to go to Mask, which is in the middle right now. If I choose the love heart shape, I can make the love heart bigger. And move it to, I'm just pinching and pulling to make it the right size. If we put it about there, that chops off all the other background city parts. So now we can use just the bat signal. Right, the next thing that you want is to film the video that you want the bat signal to be appearing in. I chose a background without any trees or houses. It was mostly clouds, so there was nothing to get in the way of the bat signal. Here's what I filmed. And I did it a few times just to make sure I got a good one. Now we're going to add that one in now. So we go to plus, adding a video or a photo, choosing video, and I need this one here. Next we need to cut out the part of the video that I want to use. This is the start of what I'm using, so I've pressed split. And then I select the bit in front and I'm going to press delete. So now. And that's the end of the clip. So I'm going to press split and delete the end part from there. Now we need to put the bat signal in the right place. So choose picture in picture. There's our bat signal right there. Now that I've got it with the cloudy background, I can see that I've missed a few spots with the mask. So we're going to choose that again. And let's see, how can we position it to make it look even better? Maybe. And there's another good trick which you can use. This little white circle here, if you pull on the end of that, it should make the edges of the whole thing fade. There, how's that look? So now position the bat signal to where we want it to, how we want it to pop up. So I think about there, roughly. And I'm going to drag through so it pops up just before I look in that direction. Okay, there. Yes, that will do nicely. Okay, next I'm going to change how thick or how dense the picture looks. Go to Edit and choose the checkered section there. We can make it disappear completely or be just about that much there. I reckon that looks good. And now I'd like it to move a bit once it pops up. So I'm going to do plus keyframe. And by the time I've run away, I want it to have rotated around to about that point there. There we go. So now how's it looking? And there's one more thing I'd like. I want to make the sky a bit darker when the spotlight pops up. So to do that, we're going to add another picture-in-picture. This time go to Materials. We're going to go to Atmosphere. And I'm going to choose, there's a mist section, that one there. So make it a bit bigger. So that is how you can add your very own bat signal into videos on your iPhone. Which effect would you like to learn about next? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.